Hey, what's up guys? This is Gary. I'm coming to you from my garage. I'm shooting the intro video for my YouTube channel, Well That's Good 86. If you know me or know of me, you may have seen me on some ATV forums. I was pretty active on trx450r.org. Username on there was Hott. Also pretty active on some ATV Facebook groups, or maybe you've seen me at the racetrack. So whether you know me or not, why am I sitting here in front of this camera telling you guys this? Well, in the past, I've attempted to give back to the ATV community by doing some write-ups with text and pictures and posting them on the website that I host, which is hottboysracing.com. If you want to check those out, I'll stick a link to the site in the video description. Probably the most popular write-up that I did was how to check and adjust the valves on your 450cc based engine. So rather than doing more write-ups and posts like that, I decided to start this video series. It's going to be based right here in my little garage that you see in the background. And with it, I'm aiming to create some helpful videos just around stuff that I like. Many of the videos are probably going to be ATV or ATV drag racing related, but I also really enjoy welding, machining, and fabrication. I'm very much a beginner at all of those things, but I still plan on shooting some videos and you guys can watch me ride the struggle bus through it. Last but not least, I recently picked up a 2005 Silverado pickup with the 5.3 liter LS V8 in it. I'll eventually be creating some videos with that too. In a nutshell, these videos are going to be me taking things apart, putting them back together, and hopefully each one will help at least one person. I think the name for this video series is going to be Hot Boys Garage. Sounds kind of silly, but there's a few reasons behind it. My last name is Hott, H-O-T-T. My dad and I do ATV dirt drag racing, and our dubbed team name is Hot Boys Racing, and I can't really come up with anything better right now. So if any of the stuff that I mentioned interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for content. You can also follow me on social media at Hot Boys Racing on Instagram. And for ATV drag racing content, you can follow us on Facebook, Hot Boys Racing. I'll put the social media links in the video description too. Thanks for watching.